Good morning, beautifuls. It is Wednesday, November 8th. Is it? Yes. I'm looking for the crow. And it's still snowing, so let's go to my back ladder and look out over the field. I got little paw prints. Creak, creak, creak. So, ooh, it's slippery. It snowed all night long. Oh, my ladder is creaking under my feet. And so the field does not hold very much snow. We can kind of see the highway. Oh, there's a car on the highway way over there. They're driving slow today. That's a good thing. But we got like that much snow accumulation. But it doesn't determine like what's on our ground, right? So it's snowing, it's beautiful, but it's also dangerous. How dangerous is beautiful? Or how beautiful can dangerous be? Anyways, I just woke up and took the dog out. Had a little sleep in today, so I'm grateful for that. My son got a ride to work, which I'm also grateful for. Can you guys see the cars like moving back there on the highway? There should be a big truck coming through right around that bush. See on that side of the bush, where's my finger? That side of the bush, it should be coming out. That's a big semi truck that's got one big trailer on it. It's not close and yet how far we are from the highway, like a mile. So it's still snowing, it's still blowing, it's still sitting between -3 and +2. So we have this variance happening. Snow has laid the grass in the back. I love the snow. I especially love the snow when I don't have to go out in it. So like I've worked hard at structuring things, so I don't really need to go out in the snow. You're gonna come with me while I brush off my solar lights, because they look so pretty in the snow. I know not everyone gets snow, and I know not everyone likes it. Dust, 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 dust. In my fairy garden, where Carl and Annie hang out. And the other dude. Somebody is snow blowing right now. We'll take a walk around the fairy garden so that the animals know where to go. So they don't go through the garden. Oh, it's getting deeper, deeper, deeper. So our little snows, our little globes are all snowy. We got some coffee going in the house there. Oops, get some coffee going in the house. We'll be out here snow blowing the driveway. It's so deep. You guys know there's a railroad tie there. So I like to take a little walk around the garden, dust off my solars. You know, the animals are really respectful when they come through the house too, or come through the yard too. So they'll go where I walk. So I just walk around in my circle, dust off the flamingo. The little rock and roll band is covered. Tablet's getting covered. Ogie's covered. They're all covered. They're all covered. Oh, and ice. Look at that. And ice on there. So underneath all this snow is still that layer of ice from the ice storm. And dusting it off. And then breaking off the ice. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize it was so thick. No wonder the roads were so slippery. All right, so yeah, there's our walk through the winter garden. All right, so I'm grateful for you guys hanging out and doing this gratitude practice with me. I am grateful for the snow. I am grateful for the snow. I just had a friend comment on Facebook that said this week for the last 3 years has been the worst weather. I have to agree with that. I can accept that. I have to agree with that. It's been terrible. I want to smash my lights, but getting the snow off of them. Getting the snow off of them. So there we go. We should have water in here somewhere for them. It's in here somewhere. There it is. And it's no longer water, so that's fine. All right, so just beautiful, beautiful snow. It's snowing, it's snowing, it's snowing. Not a whole lot to say otherwise right now. Everybody keep safe, everybody keep warm. Look at the snow, it's snowing. And that's it for today's gratitude. Out here in gratitude. My little snowy things. And I mean, these may not light up tonight because there may not be enough sunlight. Oh. My crystal ball has things dripping on it. It'll be from this up here. All the solars, all the solars. All right, lovelies, there we go. A look at the snow. I wish you well. I wish you a good day. And I will catch up with you later.